XPEL Ultimate Plus is a well-known and highly marketed PPF with decent self-healing and durability. However, under sunlight or strong lighting, you'll often notice a fine speckled or glitter-like appearance across the surface. This can slightly reduce the film's optical clarity, giving dark, non-metallic paint an unintended metallic or textured appearance. The 3M 200 series is one of the newest line of paint protection film from 3M. However, it tends to fall short in visual quality. Under natural or shop lighting, the film often looks hazy or cloudy, especially on darker paint, as you see on the video. This lack of clarity can dull the vehicle's finish and diminish its gloss. CovrGard Glos Plus is our premium PPF offering a truly exceptional high gloss, crystal clear finish. Unlike many films on the market, it delivers superior optical clarity with no speckling or haze, giving your vehicle a flawless, wet look shine. The film's advanced top coat not only provides excellent self-healing and durability, but also maintains a pure, glass-like appearance that enhances your paint's depth and brilliance, especially on darker colors.